Good morning. We're at 1835 North Harding. This is Charles with 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. All right, the property here is pretty turnkey. A few minor things here and there you'll see on the outside, but interior-wise, we're really in pretty good condition. Couple of settlement cracks of note. There's an older crack that's up here that's been repaired. But as I've walked through the house, we've got new flooring or newer flooring and newer carpet. So pretty good to go. Probably some cleaning in here would be able to sustain the carpet. Obviously, if you wanted to put a different type of flooring down, that would be, just to extend the life, that would be good too. These are the original windows, but there's, as you can see, storm windows outside of them as well. So they're in pretty good condition. The bathroom, this is a 2-bedroom unit with a bathroom that connects the two between. Bathroom's in good condition. You see here it's been winterized. And then we go back here to the other bedroom. One of the great things about this house is the location. Now, Harding is a little bit busier of a street, but this Riverside location is something that we really like a whole lot. The ability for it to appreciate in value. There's lots of stuff going on around in the area. Okay, we'll head over here to the kitchen. It is a little bit of a smaller kitchen, and the appliances are a little bit older, but the cabinets and countertop that's available are in good condition. So again, if you did want to spend a little bit of money on it to improve some things, you would definitely get some return on your value to it, but it's not necessary from the interior perspective. This is really ready to go if you wanted to. Down here, you can take a look. Here's the panel. While it's been updated from the original wiring, it certainly was done quite a long time ago. And there's probably the amount coming in is probably limited too, but you do have your power for your washer and dryer, your dryer outlet right here. So that's good to know. And your vent is over here. So a little bit of a tricky setup for your laundry down here. That's the old water heater. So this looks like it's a brand new water heater, and the furnace in here is either new or pretty new. So we got lots of great things with the mechanicals and everything. The basement down here, small because we have a small footprint for the home, but it is dry and it's in really good condition. Okay, we'll head outside to this side door here. And what you'll see, again, is we got some minor cosmetic stuff that's going on here. So this bulb here, got some rust down at the bottom. You'll take a look at some of the overhangs from the roof. Has some wood that needs to get taken care of. You can see newer service into the electrical service into the property. So over here is one of the breaches. You can see it's been covered up to prevent animals from getting in there. So that's something we'd want to take a look at. You can already see some breaches down that way too. But again, this is real minor stuff. Backyard wise, it's fully fenced in. There is a pad on the back for parking. If you wanted to include that, which would be good considering, like we said, talk about the street being a little bit busier. So parking is probably a little bit more limited than you would normally get. The roof is in good condition. It's definitely got a decent amount of life left in it. Depending on the decking, we're probably talking about 10 or more years. Again, you take a look at the outside of the windows. They are the original wood windows, but you have the storm windows on the outside, which is really nice. The wood trim around, a little bit old, a little bit damaged there, so something we want to take a look at. I don't know that it needs to be replaced, but it's certainly something you want to take a look at. But again, nothing that's really big dollar items jumping off the page. Some minor maintenance things that you'd want to do here and there for the property. So take a look at the numbers. Again, we really like the area a lot. Subscribe to the page and give us a call. Thanks.